Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the brand kit in CapCut PC. So brand kit or brand assets is presets like material, tags, or color gradings that you save and you can use later for your projects or for your edits. So here I'm going to show you how you can enable that. For example, I'm going to just click on tags and I'm going to create my brand kit tags. So I'm going to just add tags in here. I'm going to just use the default tags and I'm going to create this tags right here. Okay, you can change the or set the tags as you like. You can also adjust the style as you like it. For example, this is my brand tag. So if you want to save it to your brand kit, you can just click on save as preset, and after that it will be saved to your brand kit. Okay, so after that it will be saved, but you need to make sure that you've already joined you've already logged in into the CapCut PC with your account and you've already have your space. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.